Hey everybody, and welcome back to Crafted Made Easy. If you're interested to see how I made this cute, adorable, customized pacifier clip, stand by. Everybody, so the items you'll need to complete this project will include this string. I will have the name of the string on the screen because I think it's rat tail, but I don't think that's right. I don't think that's how you pronounce it. So I will have the name of the string on the screen, and I got this from Amazon. Then you will need some silicone beads. I also got these from Amazon. And a pacifier clip. You'll also need a needle and some scissors. The pacifier clips, be careful when you're purchasing them. There are different decorative ones, like a wooden one, but that has like a metal backing to it that could scratch the baby. And then there are some with this type of clip, but it pops off. This part pops off. So be careful because that could be like a choking hazard. So especially if you're selling these. So just be careful in the ones you buy. This one is attached to the pacifier clip. Nothing pops off. There's nothing sharp on here. So, and I got these from Amazon. I will have the link where you can get this from down in the description box below. And to open it, you just pop it up. It can be kind of tricky. You just pop this part up and then it pops up, and then you push it down to snap it closed. All right, so now that that's out of the way, let's get started. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pull out your string. So you want to, because you're going to end up doubling this. So what you're going to do is to see how much string you actually need. So you may want to just line up your beads to see how long it will be. And I'm not putting them in any particular order, just kind of lining it up. So about that. And I'm actually going to make it a little bit longer because you're going to tie it at the end. Oops. So you want to make your string like a double string with the loop. So I think that's enough. That's probably too much, but I'd rather have too much than too little. And then you're just going to cut it and then put your spool to the side. And then, because this string, I think this is 0.7 millimeters. I'll have to look at the listing online because it's not on the spool, but I think it is 0.7 millimeters. But it can be it might be too thick to put it through the bead at one time. So I'll go back through the beads and I'll show you in a second what I'm talking about. So I'm going to just do one, if I can get the needle, one quick pull through. And then this needle I purchased, I believe, from Amazon or either Joann's. And it has a wide opening so you can thread thicker string faster. So, all right. I'm going to just thread my beads. It looks, but you have to tie the bottom off. So I'm going to take the clip like so, and all I did was put the string through the loop. That's it. And then I'm going to take this piece, get my needle again, and thread it back through. that the string has been pulled through, you just want to kind of pull your beads tight. So it's on the clip and it doesn't move too much. Everything to be nice and tight. And then you are going to tie a knot. So tie a knot, just a regular old knot, just to make sure everything is nice and tight. And the knot should go into your beads, and then everything is nice and tight. And then you're going to make like a loop like that. And then you're just going to pull this tight. So just using both strings. And I'm going to do that one more time over the same knot. So I'm taking both strings. So both strings are here. And I'm just going to put this part under the knot. So it will include the first knot. And then I'm just pulling the two strings through and pulling that knot tight. So it will knot over the previous knot. And make that knot thicker. And then just pull it tight. Okay, so I hope that got caught, but if not, all you're doing is taking these two strings, you're wrapping it around the knot. So underneath the knot, it'll go underneath the knot. And then you're taking, oops, all right, so I'm sorry. It'll go underneath the knot because I'm trying to get it in the camera and then do it. These two strings will go, it'll just wrap around the knot. So you'll just wrap it around the knot, and then, okay. So just to kind of show it again, you'll take these two strings, wrap it around the knot here. So you're including the knot in the tie. So in this knot. So then you'll lift it like here. So you'll have it underneath the knot there. You'll roll like this, and then all you're doing, focus, there we go. All you'll do is take the strings, pull them through the loop. So everything is included in this knot, and then you'll pull it tightly. So you're not in the knot in the knot. I hope that makes sense. And then you're just pulling it. You're just pulling the string around the knot. And then you just want to keep going until it's tight. And then you just want to pull it tight. Like that. And just want to make sure it's really tight. Okay. And then it's knotted up. So you can do that as many times as you want. I'm just doing it that third time, and then you're going to snip it like about right there, and then that's it. And if you wanted to, you can burn the end so it doesn't unravel, or you can just leave it like that. But that's it. That's the pacifier clip, and it's a customized pacifier clip. I would spray this down with some antibacterial soap just to kind of wipe the beads down before I send it off. And then I'll also put like a care note for the customer to, you know, of course, wash it before they give it to their baby and stuff like that, because you don't know what's inside the little shipping thingy or whatever. So yeah, y'all, that's it. Pretty easy, simple, and it's really cute, and boom, I like it. It's real cute, and I hope that my customer likes it as well. So yeah, and then like I said, Angel just pop that open like that, pow, and then snap it on the clothes. Let's say this is a onesie or a shirt, and that's it. Stuck on there. Bam. All right, y'all. If y'all like this video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell to be notified when I drop new videos. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope y'all have a blessed and beautiful week. And until next time, y'all, peace.